The legal stuff is, unfortunately, because there's no way to run a country, have an election, is going to be very intense. And we all know, both sides have heavily lawyered up, but Democrats in particular have to try to deal with their shortfall in early vote in Pennsylvania by curing a lot of these ballots that have flaws in them, dated wrong or no date or whatever it is. And so I think you're going to see a big fight over that. And those of you who remember, hanging chads and all of that, these things are very subjective, and there's no right answer, right? What's equal protection, what's fair if lots of voters who are disproportionately Democratic voters have failed to follow the rules. Is it fair to say those votes shouldn't count because they didn't follow the rules? Or is it fair to say, let's give them some leeway because every vote should count, and just because someone didn't follow the idiosyncratic rules doesn't mean we should disqualify their vote? There's no good answer to that question. But literally, the presidency could be decided on that if it does come down to Pennsylvania, because the way Democrats, and this is just one Democrats, to make up for their shortfall in the early vote in Pennsylvania is to try, or a way is to try to bring more of those ballots back in that were initially disqualified. And as I'm sure many of you know, we've already seen court rulings on that have favored Democrats, mostly about the leeway that counties can have to bring those ballots back in.